Welcome back to TechCrumbs. Today we're going to show you how to take screenshots on the Apple Watch SE. First thing we need to know is if it's actually enabled. So for that we have to go to settings. We go to basically general. Here we can go to screenshots and have it enabled. If we enable it, you can take a screenshot. So basically what we do is if we're in a certain menu, let's say we are here, we want to take a picture of this for some reason, we press the digital crown and the button on the side at the same time. I'm going to use both fingers. It's kind of hard with one hand, but basically both fingers. We take a picture, and when we take a picture, you barely can see it, but it basically flashes white. And then this will save onto your photos and it will sync with your phone. So you can see it there and it will have the shape of the Apple Watch. So if you're doing something, you see a message, you want to take a screenshot for whatever the reason, you can do that like that. Do remember you have to enable it on settings, general, screenshots. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. See you in the next one.